how do veneers typically fail? I think that's worth spending some time on. So as we typically say in the industry, veneers will last you about 15 years or so. So the question is, what happens when they need to be replaced, or how does that occur? That typically occurs not so much because they pop off, which I think a lot of people have come to me at least with saying, I don't want to do veneers because I heard they fall off. Not if they're bonded properly. If a veneer is bonded to the tooth properly, it's not coming off. That's not the problem. Typically what the problem can be is, let's just say you have some veneers and you're doing something with your veneers or your teeth that you shouldn't, such as kind of tearing something with them or grinding on something that you shouldn't, doing things with your veneers that you really shouldn't even do with your teeth. You're going to chip an edge. And so what happens is, if you did that to your tooth, you may not be that concerned because the other edges of your teeth may be chipped relatively. If you have a beautiful set of veneers, which is like a perfect smile, and you get the teeniest little chip, drives the patient nuts. They're going to come to me and say, oh my God, my veneers are ruined. And I'm looking at them like, where? I don't see it. Where's the chip? And they're like, see, right here, because they become a perfectionist after that. So that would be considered a veneer failure. It's like, did all the veneers fail and come off? No. What happens is the case failed because one veneer chipped. But what's important to know is the other veneers are still going strong, and this may be 7, 10, 15 years down the road. So to repair that, you repair one veneer. The other way a veneer can fail is if you got decay underneath the veneer. So I think what's important to understand about that, again, it's not all the veneers have decay underneath them, but it may be on a subsequent exam, your hygienist may say, hey doctor, I think this veneer is starting to get some leakage. Well, what that may mean is that the place where the veneer and the tooth join could have some leakage underneath it, but that is also something that happens to your natural teeth. So it's just maintenance, and it's not something that the veneer caused.